Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how I can create a Seraphim on Dress to Impress. So I'm just going to make all of the layers white like this because you won't be able to see it that much anyways. Then you're going to grab this apple here and I'm just going to color it the same, and I'll put it to the rotten to the core one. Then you're going to want to need the coconut here. And I think you select the hold toggle. Then you're going to grab this like purse or whatever. Select type 2. And I'm just going to color everything white. Then you're going to need a broom here. Select the umbrella. Oh, also for the broom, you'll need to toggle it to the walk. Select the umbrella and make sure it supports patterns. Then you're going to use this and color everything the same. Once you're done, you're going to select these wings, make them bigger, and enable particles. And that's how you can create this Seraphim costume. Well, not really. I don't know. Outfit on Dress to Impress. Hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.